Hello friends, this is Pankaj and today I am going to talk about how I got a job in Canada while I was in India. So I have applied through a VanHack, that is a job portal, and this is similar what we have in our country, kind of Naukri.com or Monster or Indeed. So same way we have to create a profile and start applying for the jobs. ओनली डिफरेंस हियर इज़ दैट जितने भी जॉब्स यहाँ लिस्टेड हैं ये अदर कंट्रीज़ में है, फॉर एग्जांपल कनाडा, जर्मनी, यूके एट्सेट्रा. सो इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग हायर्ड, सो यू विल बी वर्किंग फॉर दीज कंपनीज. सो अगर आप सिलेक्ट हो जाते हो तो ये कंपनी आपको जॉब ऑफ़र करेगी और उस जॉब ऑफ़र लेटर के थ्रू आप अपना वर्क परमिट और अपना वर्क वीज़ा अप्लाई करोगे और उसके बाद आप उस कंट्री में जा सकते हो. But here mostly I'll be talking about Canada because I have got a job in Canadian company and I have relocated in Canada now. The company is hired through VanHack and they post the jobs which they have the vacancies for, and they start looking for the candidates who are registered on VanHack, and they shortlist their profile which match their job descriptions and start taking the interviews. So VanHack will help you to get all those interviews, and they can shortlist you and they can guide you which companies are best for you to give your interviews. And the good part is that many jobs listed over here are company sponsored. So means company will sponsor everything for you and you can save a lot of money over here as well. So while you are applying for the work visas, many questions we have is like, do we need to give IELTS exam for English verification, and then do we need to show proof of funds, and also do we need to evaluate our degrees for this particular job? Then the answer is no. So we don't have to go for any of this process because you are applying for a work permit and they don't need all of these things. And there is no fees charged by VanHack. So throughout the process, it's all free, and you just have to apply for the jobs, give the interview, give your best shot, and once selected, then your whole process will start by the company itself. So all the HR discussions, the salary negotiations, you will be doing directly with the company and not with the VanHack. The time it takes for the complete process depends on your interview, the company who is selecting how many rounds they want to take, and then how much time they want to evaluate your profile. So once you're selected in any company, then VanHack will help you and guide you to get your work visas done and how you can apply for that. Here also we have very good news that who holds a job offer from a Canadian company, the processing time is just under 2 weeks. It's on a global talent stream and it will be just processed within 2 weeks. So if all your documents and applications are good, then it should not take more than 2 weeks. So get ready to get your dream jobs. In next video I'll show you how to create your profile and then you can start applying for the jobs. So see you in next video. Thank you for watching.